Every Edtech founder wants one thing to launch quickly without burning tons of money. FlutterFlow promises you can do it without developers. But the question is, can you actually build an online learning app that doesn't fall apart with the very first user? Let's try it in practice. The Edtech market is large. Courses, schools, tutors, online universities, but most founders stumble over the same thing. Development costs tens of thousands of dollars, takes months, and 80% of ideas never make it to release. FlutterFlow promises an MVP in just weeks. Let's see if that's even possible. Case study. For example, swim training. Here is a real case. Close to Edtech in Logic, which is a building using FlutterFlow, swim training has 10,000 downloads in the Apple Store. This app helps users improve their swimming technique and prepare for competitions in swimming and triathlon, or simply stay in shape. Features: video lessons, audio training, news, tests, statistics, and personal profile. Results: 35% user retention thanks to personalized training plans and progress tracking. 20% improvement in training effectiveness based on tracked performance data. Timeline: first version development took just 2 months. FlutterFlow features for Edtech. UI kit for the lazy. FlutterFlow offers the build screens like login, lists, profiles. Change the logo and colors and you already have a polished interface. Firebase integration. Want to store students, lessons, progress? You can do it all without custom backend. Multimedia support. Video lessons, quizzes, tests, and materials all can be added instantly without complex dev work. Growth ready. When your project grows, the code can be exported into full Flutter and scaled with no limit. Subscriptions and payments. RevenueCat, Stripe, or PayPal integrate in just a few clicks. A must-have for Edtech. Mobile plus web at once. FlutterFlow lets you launch for an iOS, Android, and even web version. It also great for example, admin panel or desktop access. In short, Edtech founders, you run out of excuses that MVPs are expensive and slow. But not everything is perfect. Complex features, gamification, advanced animations, and complex testing logic still require coding. Support, bugs, and deeper customization often needs a Flutter development. Long-term use. If your goal is to build the next Coursera, FlutterFlow will only be the first stage. Performance. With more than, for example, 10,000 live users, support and scaling may be tricky, but that's solvable. Just migrate to Flutter when the time comes. Conclusion. FlutterFlow is an excellent choice for building an Edtech MVP. In just weeks, you can show investors, test your audience, and even start earning revenue. But if your idea takes off, be ready to switch the Flutter and handle the scaling challenges. Think of FlutterFlow as a budget rocket booster. It launches you fast, but after that you need the serious shuttle. Subscribe to learn more about development. And if you have an Edtech startup and want to figure out how to build a successful app, follow the link into the description to book a free consultation. See you in the next videos.